Hey everyone, it's Cole Wayne. Today I'm holding one of the most underrated veggies, the cucumber. Sure, it's mostly water, 96%, and just 16 calories per cup, but that's its secret power. I used to overlook cucumbers, but after digging into the research, I found their benefits too good to ignore. So I ate a whole cucumber every day for 30 days to see what would happen. The results? Way more impressive than I expected. Let's break down the science and the 7 surprising benefits I experienced. First up, hydration. It's something we all know is important, but it's often overlooked in our busy lives. We all know we should drink more water, but it's easy to forget, especially when we're caught up in work or daily routines. Here's the trick. About 20% of your daily fluids actually come from food, not just drinks. And when it comes to hydrating foods, cucumbers are true superstars, packed with over 95% water. Eating a cucumber is almost like drinking a glass of water, but with the added bonus of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that plain water just can't offer. During my challenge, I noticed I felt more hydrated and energetic, especially in the afternoons when I'd usually hit a slump. My skin even looked fresher. Proper hydration keeps your joints lubricated, your body temperature regulated, and your mind sharp. It's essential for every part of your body to function at its best. Cucumbers also deliver potassium and magnesium, key electrolytes you lose when you sweat, especially during exercise or hot weather. After workouts, a cucumber snack helped me rehydrate and restore minerals naturally. It's a refreshing way to recover without reaching for processed snacks. Instead of chugging water all at once, the water in cucumbers is absorbed more steadily by your body, helping you stay hydrated for longer periods. Plus, it's a great way to avoid sugary sports drinks and all those artificial additives that come with them. If you struggle to drink enough water or you're active, cucumbers are a simple, tasty solution that the whole family can enjoy. They're nature's sports drink, no sugar, no artificial colors, just pure hydration and nutrients. I found myself reaching for fewer extra glasses of water, and my energy stayed up throughout the day. It was a noticeable difference. Hydration isn't just about drinking water, it's about maintaining balance in your body, and cucumbers deliver that balance perfectly. So, if you want a hydration boost, add a cucumber to your daily routine. Toss it in salads, blend it in smoothies, or just snack on it fresh. It's an easy win for your health. A hydration hero indeed. Your body will thank you for it. Next, let's talk about weight management and how cucumbers can play a surprisingly powerful role. Cucumbers are incredibly low in calories, just 16 per cup, making them a perfect snack swap for anyone watching their weight or looking to make healthier choices. Their high water content, which is about 95%, helps fill you up, so you eat less without feeling deprived or hungry. This means you can enjoy a generous portion without worrying about your calorie intake. I started eating my cucumber before meals and noticed I felt full faster and snacked less throughout the day. It's a simple habit that made a big difference in my appetite. The fiber, especially in the skin, helps you stay satisfied longer and supports healthy digestion, which is key for weight loss and overall wellness. Crunchy foods like cucumbers also slow down your eating, giving your brain time to register fullness. This mindful eating can help prevent overeating and unnecessary snacking. During my experiment, I felt less bloated and a bit leaner just by swapping out less healthy snacks for cucumbers. The difference was noticeable, especially in how my clothes fit and how I felt after meals. It's not about strict restriction, it's about making smarter, more filling choices that you can actually enjoy and stick with long term. If you're looking to lose or maintain weight, cucumbers are a no-brainer. They're easy to add to your daily routine and can help you stay on track. They help you stay in a calorie deficit without hunger, which is the key to sustainable weight loss. Add them to salads, dip them in hummus, or eat them plain as a refreshing snack. The possibilities are endless and always delicious. It's a simple, sustainable way to support your goals and build healthy habits that last. No fad diets, just smart eating and small changes that add up over time. The result? More energy, less bloat, and a lighter feeling overall. You'll notice improvements, not just in your weight, but in your mood and daily energy. Cucumbers make healthy eating easy, enjoyable, and accessible for everyone in the family. Try it for yourself. You'll notice the difference. Smart, satisfying, and delicious. Sometimes the simplest changes make the biggest impact. Want glowing, radiant skin? The secret might be as simple as what you put on your plate. Start with your diet, and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Cucumbers are packed with water, which hydrates your skin from the inside out, making it look plumper, fresher, and more radiant. Their high water content helps flush out toxins, leaving your skin clear and dewy. I noticed my skin felt softer, smoother, and looked healthier after just a couple of weeks of adding more cucumber to my meals and snacks. Cucumbers are rich in silica, a mineral that supports strong, elastic skin, and antioxidants like vitamin C that help fight signs of aging and protect against environmental damage. Those classic cucumber slices on your eyes? They really do work to reduce puffiness, soothe irritation, and calm tired skin after a long day. I made it a relaxing ritual, cucumber slices on my eyes for 10 minutes, and the difference was real and noticeable. Less puffiness, a brighter complexion, and a more even skin tone were just some of the benefits I saw. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a visible, natural boost that anyone can try at home. Beautiful skin truly starts from within, and cucumbers deliver hydration, essential nutrients, and powerful antioxidants to help you glow. Forget expensive creams. Just add fresh cucumbers to your daily routine for a simple, natural solution. It's an easy, affordable way to support healthy, glowing skin every single day. Eat them, use them topically, or do both for the best results. Your skin will thank you, and you'll feel more confident in your natural glow. Let's talk digestion, because a healthy gut means a healthy you. Cucumbers' water and fiber keep things moving, preventing constipation and bloating. I noticed more regularity and less afternoon sluggishness within the first week. The soluble fiber in cucumber skin forms a gel in your gut, slowing digestion and helping nutrient absorption. Cucumbers also contain erepsin, an enzyme that helps break down proteins for easier digestion. Their alkaline nature supports a balanced gut environment, which is great for your microbiome. The fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding your good gut bacteria. The result? Smoother digestion, less bloating, and more energy. If you struggle with digestive issues, a daily cucumber could make a big difference. It's a gentle, natural way to support your gut. No fancy supplements needed, just a simple veggie. Add cucumbers to your meals and feel the difference. Your gut will thank you. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems, but cucumbers can help fight it. They're packed with polyphenols and cucurbitacins, natural compounds that block inflammation at the source. These same compounds give cucumbers their slight bitterness and powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins also help reduce oxidative stress, which fuels inflammation. During my challenge, I noticed less joint stiffness and quicker recovery after workouts. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a daily deposit in your anti-inflammation bank. Over time, these small choices add up, protecting your body from chronic disease. Think of cucumbers as a natural, food-based anti-inflammatory. They work quietly in the background, supporting your long-term health. Add them to your diet and let the benefits build. It's a simple way to keep inflammation in check. Your body will thank you. Your heart deserves the best, and cucumbers deliver. They're a good source of potassium, which helps balance sodium and lower blood pressure. The fiber in cucumbers can help reduce LDL cholesterol, protecting your arteries. Hydration keeps your blood flowing smoothly, and antioxidants protect your blood vessels from damage. It's a four-pronged approach: potassium, fiber, water, and antioxidants, all in one veggie. I felt good knowing my daily cucumber was supporting my heart. It's not about one magic food, but building a heart-healthy pattern. Cucumbers are an easy, delicious cornerstone for that. No supplements needed, just real food. Show your heart some love with a daily cucumber. Simple, effective, and tasty. Forget expensive detoxes. Your body detoxifies itself, and cucumbers help. Their high water content keeps your kidneys flushing out waste efficiently. I noticed clearer urine and felt less sluggish during my challenge. Antioxidants in cucumbers protect your liver, your main detox organ, from damage. Cucurbitacins may also support liver health, according to early research. The fiber in cucumbers keeps your digestive system moving, so toxins don't get reabsorbed. It's a gentle daily cleanse, not a dramatic purge. Eating cucumbers supports your body's natural detox systems. No need for fad diets or supplements, just consistent, simple nutrition. I felt lighter and cleaner, like my body was running smoothly. That's real detoxification. The humble cucumber is your daily detox ally. So there you have it, 7 powerful reasons to eat a cucumber every day. From hydration and weight loss to glowing skin and heart health, this veggie delivers. My 30-day challenge was eye-opening and I'm sticking with it. Have you tried a daily cucumber? Share your experience in the comments. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple wellness tips. Give this video a thumbs up and don't miss my next video on top superfoods for energy. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and see you next time.